Okay, we're going to start with how to make alkenes. You have seen this before from chapter 7. We can do elimination from an alkyl halide, right? Different type of base gives you the different distribution of side-step product and Hoffman product. Small base favor side-step, remember that? And we got a big base like LDA, third butoxide. Those go to Hoffman, favor Hoffman products. Okay, and these are bases that we're going to be using. We have sodium hydride, sodium ethoxide, hydroxide, ethoxide. The main one, sterically hindered bases that you're going to use, we have potassium butoxide and LDA, lithium diisopropylamine. Okay, so this is going to be the main one. You might see triethylamine sometime and diisopropylethylamine sometimes. It's not a lot. Third butoxide and LDAs are the main one. All right, and also you can make alkene from an E1. So we call it acid catalyzed dehydration. So remove alcohol and one hydrogen. Basically, we remove water, right? And you get an alkene. Same thing. Side-step is over Hoffman. All right. And why do we learn reaction of alkene? Okay, why is alkene important? Alkene is one of the precursors to make other compounds and other functional groups. So you're going to learn this in synthesis later at the very end, all right? So from petroleum, we can get out, that's where we get alkene from. So from ethylene, you can make ethanol, you can make polymers. We can make ethylene dichloride, epoxide, ethylene oxide right here. Acetaldehyde, that's an aldehyde, right? Propylene, same thing, alcohol, ether, benzene ring, the polymer. There's just a lot of it. You can keep going from there. Vinyl chloride, you probably are familiar with PVC, polyvinyl chloride, which is a polymer of this guy. This is just one unit there, right? Acetic acid, ethylene glycol, and the PVC around here. Okay, so it just the list just go on and on. We start with alkene. Alkene is not that reactive, but we can make it reactive, and when you do reaction, it can go pretty much in any functional groups. Okay, all right. So we're gonna make this podcast a little bit more interesting. Try to keep things interesting here. So I would like to introduce a new segment to our podcast. We call it "Well, That Took a Turn." Let's see what's going on in here. Okay, it's a conversation between two people. Let's say, "Gosh, you are beautiful, but I'm not looking for anything, just trying to make friends." And the other person say, "Well, thanks, that's okay. I'm not looking for anything either, just want to meet new people, and if it goes somewhere cool. If not, I have a new friend." Sex? Oh, well, that took a turn. All right, start with reaction 1 of alkene.